Yes everybody, welcome back to the channel. Big Tasty, thank you for watching the video as always. And I'm back with the new Wotsits mac and cheese that's been going and doing the rounds. This one, I've not gone for the original, I've actually gone for the flaming hot. Okay, so it looks like it is, this is jalapeños from the front, serves 2 people. Let me see if I can indulge in and see if we can actually find it. So yeah, it is cooked macaroni pasta in a spicy cheese sauce topped with seasoned breadcrumbs and sliced chili jalapeños. So yeah, it's a 3 out of 3 Wotsits chilies hot. Let's give it a go. Put it in the microwave. See how long it's going to take actually. I think it's going to take around about 4.5 minutes. So yeah, this is what we're looking at in terms of what it's like. Let me just press this a minute so you can see. Yeah, this is what we're looking at. Don't know if you can see that too well. Breadcrumby, pasta. You can see a couple of jalapenos, nothing too much. So yeah, cut to me. We'll put it into the microwave, come back out, we'll check it out. We'll see if it's actually spicy. I've not had anything spicy in so long, so yeah, let's just hope it's got a bit of a crunch to it. Right guys, straight out of the microwave, here it is. And all I've got to say is I've had a little bite literally just now and I'm hiccuping already. That is seriously spicy. Was not expecting it at all. But we're going to keep going. So we've got pasta, breadcrumbs and jalapenos all in here. Initially off the bat, it's got some decent spice to that. Very, very tasty though. I think there's a £3.25p if you've got a Tesco club card. So yeah, you know, the price you probably pay for a branded mac and cheese, I guess. Jalapenos, not too many in there, but when you do get a bit, it does add to the extra bit of heat. I've got to say the breadcrumb is like oh wow, it's pretty hot. The breadcrumbs added to it is like it's almost like the dust of the Doritos. Very, very good. Obviously this is the extra hot version of the Wotsits. The flaming hot. But yeah, very, very good. Very tasty. I mean, the taste of that is delicious. I love hot food. The taste, I'm going to give that 8.59 out of 10. For a mac and cheese, I've tried a lot of these branded mac and cheese. This is the best I've had. Delicious, consistency. Fair play to them. I respect that. That's a decent effort. And I probably would buy it again. They've got a couple more that I might try if I can get my hands on them, but obviously selling out quite quick. But yeah, decent, very hot. If you don't like hot food, this ain't for you because this is pretty spicy. So, if you like hot food, give it a go and let me know if you think it's hot. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.